This is a gorgeous 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. It's a hardtop and it's just gorgeous. Now, I've videoed a couple others with this color scheme, but this is the first time for this one, and here are the pertinent facts about it. It has 390 and it has factory air conditioning, as you'll see. Just absolutely gorgeous condition. And that white top really makes it look like a convertible. It has creases towards the back end, and you can see even in the headliner there's the air conditioner right in the middle underneath the dash, and a very neat console there. Of course, very nice buckets. Beautiful car. Of course, we have that white trim stripe going the length of the car. Nice wheel covers, and of course a nice tree, which happens to be right there on the curbside. You have to be careful when you're walking around the car and videoing. You don't want to bump into the obstacles around the car, like the tree. You can see what I mean about that white top looking like a convertible, complete with a chrome strip. Oh, we have some nice pinstriping too.